Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss some very important problems on these multiple and submultiple angles, right? On part of this first problem, what we are having is if pi less than x less than 2 pi, right? Prove that root over 1 plus cos x plus root over 1 minus cos x by root over 1 plus cos x minus root over 1 minus cos x is equal to cot of x by 2 plus pi by 4. This is what we require to prove. How we will do this particular part, my dear students? You see, this is here we are having here pi is less than x is less than 2 pi, like this. Suppose if you take x by 2, because okay, we are having there the angle x by 2, let us see where it will belongs, like pi by 2 less than 2 pi by 2, like this, right? From this we are having here pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than pi, like pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than pi, you are having like this, right? Now let us take the left hand side part of this. This is equal to root over 1 plus cos x plus root over 1 minus cos x whole thing divided by root over 1 plus cos x minus root over 1 minus cos x. This is what we are having. And we know that already, my dear students, I told root over 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. That means this is now 2 cos square x by 2 plus this is root over 2 sin square x by 2, like this, 2 sin square x by 2, right? This whole thing divided by, now this is equal to square root of 2 cos square x by 2 minus square root of 2 sin square x by 2, like this, 2 sin square x by 2, right? Now this is equal to what we are going to have, root 2 if you take common, this is modulus of cos x by 2 if we take, okay, plus modulus of sin x by 2, we are going to have modulus of sin x by 2 whole thing divided by, here also if you take root 2 common, what we are going to have, modulus of cos x by 2 minus modulus of sin x by 2, right? This is now root 2 will be cancelled, like this, right? And you see, my dear students, once we have got like this, x by 2 angle lies here. I told you that already, x by 2 we are discussing here. This x by 2 angle lies from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, like this, 90 degrees to in second quadrant. In second quadrant, modulus of cos x by 2, this become negative. That's why what we will have is minus cos x by 2 here, because it is negative. Okay, you know that the modulus of x become minus x if x is less than 0, like this, if x is less than 0. Now by this what we are going to have, this is modulus of sin x by 2, this becomes sin x by 2, right? This is sin x by 2 by, here also minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, because in second quadrant sin become positive and cos is negative. That's why we got this expression, right, my dear students? Once we have got like this, now okay, fine, because once again I am repeating, that is negative, right? Which is negative, cos x by 2, x by 2 in second quadrant, it is negative. That's why we have got like this, fine. Now what we do is we divide by, right, we divide by, we have to get this minus sign, I will take common here, then what I am going to get, cot x by 2, okay, this is what we are having here, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and here also you take minus common here, then what we are going to have, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, like this, plus sin x, this minus become plus, right? Now we have got this thing, cos x by 2, right, minus sin x by 2. Now see how what we are going to do. This is what we have. We will divide, see here, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. We will divide throughout by, right, sin x by 2, like this, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. We are having this, and this is also here now, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, like this, whole thing divided by sin x by 2, like this, right? If you divide throughout, then what we are going to have, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, that become cot x by 2 minus 1 by cot x by 2 plus 1, because cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 become cot x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by sin x by 2, that become minus 1, and this is cot x by 2 plus 1, what you are having like this. Now this is nothing but, right, cot x by 2 plus pi by 4, x by 2 plus pi by 4, this will be cot x by 2 plus pi by 4, because if you simplify that also, what you are going to get, cot x by 2 plus cot a plus b formula, right? What is cot a plus b formula, right? You apply that, what you are going to get, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, like this. This is the formula for cot a plus b, right? Once this thing is there, now we have cot of x by 2 plus pi by 4, cot of x by 2 plus pi by 4, right? Once if you do this one, what you are going to get, cot x by 2 cot pi by 4 minus 1 by cot x by 2 plus cot pi by 4, like this. Now this become cot pi by 4 is 1. What you are going to get, cot x by 2 minus 1 by cot x by 2 plus 1. That is what we have got here. That's why cot x by 2 plus pi by 4 is equal to cot x by 2 minus 1 by cot x by 2 plus 1, like this. Right? Like this we will do this particular problem. Next we have one more important problem, my dear students. The second problem, it is a star marked problem. Okay. In many cases, right, in many competitive examinations, this problem they have asked. What is given here? If tan theta by 2 equal to square root of a minus b by a plus b into tan pi by 2, then prove that cos alpha is equal to, right, a cos pi plus, right, what we are having here is cos alpha is equal to, right, yeah, a cos pi plus b by a plus b cos pi, right? See here, this is not cos alpha. Alpha is not at all involved here. We have to prove this cos theta, right? Cos theta is equal to this. Okay, there only alpha is not there, cos theta. How we will do this particular problem, my dear students? Here, cos theta, we know that we already know the formula. Okay, we already given half angle formulas, so something like you can do that as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, like this. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Cos theta is equal to, we will be getting this particular form, right? Because now once we got, because we are in search of direct formula, cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Because you know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here cos theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Right, now we know 1 minus tan square theta by 2. That means what you are having here, tan theta by 2 equal to this. Therefore you are going to have a minus b by a plus b into, this is tan square pi by 2, like this. Tan square pi by 2. Whole thing divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is equal to now a minus b by a plus b, right, into tan square pi by 2, like this, right? Wonderful. 1 minus a minus b by a plus b into tan square pi by 2, and this is 1 plus a minus b by a plus b into tan square pi by 2. We have got like this, right? Now what we do is, let us take the LCM part of it, and we will try to simplify this part like this, right? 1 minus a minus b by 1 plus a plus b, we have got like this. Now see, my dear students, here what we are going to get is 1 minus of a minus b by a plus b into sin square pi by 2 by cos square pi by 2, right? This is cos square pi by 2. Whole thing divided by 1 plus a minus b by a plus b into, okay, same thing here also, sin square pi by 2 by cos square pi by 2, like this, right? This is what just we converted tan into cos, that's all, sin by cos, sorry. Now this is what, let us take LCM here, my dear students. Then what we are going to get, a plus b into cos square pi by 2 minus a minus b into sine square pi by 2, sine square pi by 2. Whole thing divided by, you are going to get, however, this a plus b cos square pi by 2, a plus b cos square pi by 2, that will be cancelled. However, this after simplification, you can easily understand, my dear students, a plus b into cos square pi by 2, right? Plus a minus b into, you are having here sine square pi by 2, like this, right? Once we have got like this, now you see, my dear students, what we are going to have. Let us split this, right? If we split this a and b terms separately, what we are going to have, a into here cos square pi by 2 minus a into sine square pi by 2. That means what you are going to have is cos square pi by 2 minus sine square pi by 2, right? A into cos square pi by 2 minus a into sine square pi by 2. A, if you take like this. Next, plus b into, if you take b common, cos square pi by 2, cos square pi by 2, minus into minus plus, plus sine square pi by 2, like this, right? Whole thing divided by this. What you are having is here also, if you take a common, right? Cos square pi by 2, what we have here, cos square pi by 2, right? Wonderful. And a means plus sine square pi by 2, sine square pi by 2. Plus b, if you take common, cos square pi by 2, cos square pi by 2 minus sine square pi by 2. Wonderful. Now cos square pi by 2 minus sine square pi by 2, you know that that is cos pi, you know, cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta by 2, cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now half angle formula, this is a cos pi plus b into 1, this, right? Whole thing divided by, this is also a plus b into, you have cos square pi by 2 minus sine square pi by 2 is equal to cos pi, like this. Now this is equal to, right, you have taken the left hand side part, right, cos theta, and you have got the right hand side part. You see, such a beautiful way we got this problem. It's a very, very important, once again I am telling, it is a star marked problem, right? Star marked problem. Okay, this is ultimate important problem. This is also present in your material also. Dear student, next the third problem, one more important problem we are having here. See here, this problem. They given that if sin alpha plus sin beta equal to a and cos alpha plus cos beta equal to b, then prove that tan of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to plus or minus of square root of 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is the problem, right? Once we observe that we need to get tan alpha minus beta by 2, we should get an idea here. Tan alpha minus beta by 2 equal to plus or minus of square root of 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square. For this, what we do is sin alpha plus sin beta equal to a and cos alpha plus cos beta equal to b. That's why what I do is, let us take here a square plus b square, like this. If you take a square plus b square, let us see what we are going to get here now. This is now sin alpha plus sin beta whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, this cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, right? Now this is equal to actually sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha plus cos beta whole square is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 cos alpha cos beta, right? This is what we are having here. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 here. See this one. Now let us write this. Okay, fine. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Another one sin square beta plus cos square beta. This is right. And plus 2 if we take common here, like this is what we are having. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, like this, right? And this is 1 plus 1 plus 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, like this. Now this is equal to 2 if we 2 plus 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, like this. If you take 2 common here, you are going to get 1 plus cos of alpha minus beta, right? 1 plus cos of alpha minus beta. We are going to get like this, right? From this, so let us subject cos alpha minus beta, right? However, if you subject cos alpha minus beta, you see we have here cos of alpha minus beta. Actually 2, this we can write, however, before subjecting this, so let us write this is 2 plus 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, like this. Now cos of alpha minus beta is equal to, you are having here a square plus b square minus 2 whole by 2, you are going to get a square plus b square minus 2 by 2, like this, right? This is what we have got. Cos of alpha minus beta means this, right? Fine. Once we have got nicely this cos of alpha minus beta, but what we require to prove, tan of alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to this, right? We have got now cos of alpha minus beta. Now we need to get tan of alpha minus beta by 2. How we are going to get this? You observe, my dear student, this part is till this we did. Now you see how we are going to do. We know that one thing here, tan alpha minus beta by 2, this is nothing but 1 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 1 plus cos of alpha minus beta, like this, under square root. Okay, because tan square alpha minus beta, you know that actually tan square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? By this formula. Actually we need now tan theta, actually tan theta, okay? Okay, tan square theta is this, what you are having, right? And from this, actually you see half angle formula, tan square theta by 2, if you take like this, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, like this. And this is now tan theta by 2 is equal to root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In the place of theta, we are having alpha minus beta. That's all, nothing more difference here. Now we are going to get, already we got it, okay, by our process. We got cos alpha minus beta is equal to this. Now this is equal to square root of 1 minus cos alpha minus beta is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 by 2, like this. Whole thing divided by, right, this is 1 plus a square plus b square minus 2 by 2, like this, right? Let us simplify this now. If we simplify this, let us see here what we are having. Let us take this as LCM, like this. Now this is equal to 2 minus of, right, LCM, if you take 2 minus a square minus b square minus into minus plus 2, whole thing divided by 2, whole, here also you take LCM as 2, like this. If you take 2 as the LCM, now this is 2 plus a square plus b square minus 2. This minus 2 plus 2 will cancel. Now this is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus a square minus b square. And this 2 will cancel. And we have got a square plus b square, like this. Right? Fine. That is what we require to prove tan alpha minus beta by 2. See here, this is what we have got. We took the left hand side part and we have got beautifully the right hand side part. Right? My dear students, see how beautifully we have got. This is also an important model. Okay, you please observe the way how we are proceeding, what is given, what is the desired thing we are bringing and applying and getting from the problem. Right, that is most important. This is also in the same model how we did the previous problem. The fourth problem, we have if cos theta equal to cos alpha into cos beta, prove that tan of theta plus alpha by 2 into tan of theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to tan square beta by 2, right? This is the problem. You see, my dear students, once you observe this, what we require to prove tan square beta by 2. For that, they given this is the information, right? Let us subject here cos beta. Here, if I subject cos beta, what I am going to get? Cos theta by cos alpha, like this. Cos theta by cos alpha. Once cos beta is equal to cos theta by cos alpha. Now you know that actually tan square beta by 2. Right, my dear students, tan square beta by 2 equal to, we know that already this is 1 minus cos beta by 1 plus cos beta, the same formula what we applied in the previous problem. 1 minus cos beta by 1 plus cos beta. This is nothing but 1 minus cos theta by cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos theta by cos alpha, like this. This is now cos alpha minus cos theta, whole thing divided by this cos alpha will be cancelled, and this is now cos alpha plus cos theta, like this. Cos alpha minus cos theta by cos alpha plus cos theta. This is not cot, this is cos theta, like this, right? Now tan square beta is equal to this, we have got like this, right? And cos alpha minus cos theta, you see actually we have the formula in transformations also. We are going to get that cos C minus cos D formula is nothing but, minus 2 sine. Okay, yeah, this is what we are going to do. Otherwise, okay, 2 sine theta plus alpha by 2 into sine theta minus alpha by 2. That means the formula in terms of C and D, like this. Actually here we are having C and D. This is now 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine D minus C by 2, like this. Cos C minus cos D. And the cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos. Okay, my dear students, here actually we applied cos C minus cos D and cos C plus cos D formulas in this. Once you applied here, we have got this one. Actually cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now in the place of C we are having alpha, in the place of D we are having theta. Now if you apply this formula, and now you have, see here we got cos alpha minus cos theta as like this, and cos alpha plus cos theta as like this. 2 will cancel. Now sine by cos, this is nothing but tan of theta plus alpha by 2, because it is plus here, either alpha plus theta by 2 or theta plus alpha by 2, it doesn't matter. And here sine of theta minus alpha by 2 by cos of theta minus alpha by 2, that become tan of theta minus alpha by 2. Now you have got, this is tan of theta plus alpha by 2 into tan of theta minus alpha by 2. Right, my dear students? In this way, this beautiful problem we can get. Okay, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have taken, okay, sorry, actually we have taken here what? Right hand side we have taken, and we achieved left hand side. We have got the left hand side like this, right? Now we have the fifth problem, my dear students. If a plus b equal to 225 degrees, prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Already we did for 45 degrees, and why the second bit is based on the first one, first subdivision. That's why I have taken once again. Let us do this one line. You see, my dear students, how we do this solution part. They given that a plus b equal to 225 degrees. Now let us apply tan on both sides. Tan a plus b equal to tan 225 degrees. That is tan 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. That is now tan 45 degrees. That equal to 1, like this. Tan a plus b is now tan a plus tan b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b equal to 1, like this. Right? What we do is here now, right? Let us cross multiply here. To do the first subdivision part, what we are getting is tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. Right, my dear students? Fine. Now, what we do is here, let us transfer tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b plus tan a tan b. This is equal to 1, like this. Now we add 1 on both sides. By adding 1 on both sides, we will get 1 plus tan a tan b plus tan a tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1 plus 1. Now you take, see here, 1 plus tan a you are having here plus tan b. If you take common, you have 1 plus tan a is equal to 2. Now 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan a. Okay, right? If you take 1 plus tan a common, 1 plus tan a, if you take common here, you will get here 1 plus tan b is equal to 2, like this. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2 we have got, right my dear students? How we have got this beautiful problem you observe. Now let us do the second subdivision, right? Let us do the second subdivision. After getting the first subdivision, now let us try to do the second subdivision. We know now the first subdivision, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Now the second subdivision what we are having is here, you see my dear students, cot A by 1 plus cot A. What we do is, let us convert everything into tan, right? 1 by tan A whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 by tan A, right? This into 1 by tan B, right? Whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 by tan B, like this. This is equal to, actually we need to prove it as 1 by 2, right? You see my dear students, what let us do, 1 by tan A by, here if you take LCM, right? Tan A plus 1 by tan A. This into 1 by tan B by tan B plus 1 by tan B, like this. Tan A here, tan, this is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan A, 1 by 1 plus tan A into 1 by 1 plus tan B we have got, right? Now this total, see 1 by 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, already we know that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B has 2. Now you have got 1 by 2, right? We got wonderfully 1 by 2. We have taken the left hand side part of subpart 2 and we have got the right hand side part, left hand side, and we have got the right hand side part, right my dear students? How beautifully we have got this problem. This you have to know, that's why I have taken this particular problem, right? See, we have another problem, sixth one. Prove that tan square 2 theta minus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square 2 theta into tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta into tan theta. You see now my dear students, left hand side you take tan square 2 theta minus tan square theta, whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square 2 theta into tan square theta, like this, right? This is something like a square minus b square formula you apply. Now tan 2 theta minus tan theta, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b, anything we can take, right? This is now tan 2 theta plus tan theta, right? And the down part also, see this we can write once again, a square minus b square, like this, right? Here this is also we are going to have like this, okay fine, 1 plus tan 2 theta into tan theta and 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta, like this. See this particular one very nicely we have got, this is nothing but tan 2 theta minus theta, tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, that is now tan theta, like this one. And this is now, you see, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, that is nothing but tan 2 theta plus theta, that is tan 3 theta. That is what you require to prove. You have taken left hand side and you proved right hand side part. You see my dear students, how beautifully we have got this particular problem also, right? Just we took this one, applied a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. Just we applied like this and we got this particular problem. Left hand side we have taken and we have got the right hand side part such a beautiful way. Right my dear students, please everyone write the notes clearly, that is most important. And please subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. Please share it and okay, watch it carefully. Thank you very much.